signs of a rogue MI6.
Watch this. Let me get going. I got business to take care of, and I'll see you when I get home, okay? I love you.
Love you.
Hey, one more thing.